Heading back to our roundhouse now, access to abortion and gender-affirming care were hot topics during this past legislative session. Today, the governor signed another bill that expands that access.
Spencer Schott was there when the governor signed Senate Bill 13, and he explains what this means not just for those seeking this care, but also those who provide it.
It was a full house at the governor's office today as she signed Senate Bill 13 into law, guaranteeing protections for providers who offer gender-affirming health care as well as reproductive health care, including abortions.
The last signature required.
Yes, child.
It is now hereby law.
Gov Michelle Lujan Grisham was applauded this morning by women and activists who fought to protect reproductive and gender-affirming care in the state of New Mexico. This is the second bill the governor has signed dealing with access to this type of health care. HB 7 provides protections to individuals who seek out treatment, where SB 13 guarantees providers also have legal protections.
If we don't protect providers, you can say you have access, when in fact you do not. And that is exactly the strategy that the country is undertaking. One, ban it, make it illegal, make it impossible, put up every single kind of barrier. But the best barrier is to tell providers not to get trained here, not to provide access, not to do the care, not to do the work. Because then it doesn't matter where you live, you can't get what you need when you need it.
Governor Lujan Grisham was also joined by doctors who supported this bill and testified in front of committees. Now they say providers are being supported by the state.
This SB 13 is a game changer for patients and providers because of the legal protections that it affords us. Avoiding civic penalties, criminal penalties, disciplinary action by boards.
But the governor says these bills go beyond reproductive and gender-affirming care. It also ensures equal rights for those who are being targeted in other states.
We were going to stand firm and we were going to make it clear that we were going to protect providers and women and their families and the LGBTQ community in every possible way. And then we're going to codify all that work in statute.
The governor has signed a lot of bills since the session has ended, but there's still about 100 on her desk waiting for the pen. Tonight at 6, we're looking at which bills she said she will sign and what bills might get the veto. Reporting in Santa Fe, Spencer Schott, KOB4.